friends, Brenda here from the Pop-Up Homestead. Just another gorgeous day here in West Tennessee. Warm weather, blue skies, minus the chemtrails. But they're not too bad right now. We actually got some fluffy clouds moving in. I know you guys always just see little Joy. I also have with me today Charlie. Yeah, that's my little Charlie. He's a sweetheart. Anyone who knew me from New York and the Happy Shack used to come to work with me every day. So today I thought I would do just a little porch chat. And you know, the world is super crazy right now, as everyone knows. We had the pandemic, the whole thing going on with Russia and Ukraine, and threats of nuclear war and inflation and high gas prices, and oh my. I just want to say that sometimes you just have to turn all that off and just enjoy your day. Today I did some cooking in the red cabin, which is my kitchen cabin. It was nice and warm, so I made some chocolate pudding from scratch, new skill I'm working on, and some fried chicken and roasted Brussels sprouts with peppers and garlic cloves and a sweet potato. We're going to have a great dinner with dessert. So the reason I did that early is because the solar panels were getting lots of sunshine today. And when they get lots of sunshine, we have extra power. So that's a good time to cook things. And then when it's time to eat dinner tonight, I'll just warm it all up. But it was a good use of the power. So basically, when you're living off grid, you just have to do things that make sense. Good use of power, you know. We're all very accustomed to doing things when we want to instead of when it makes sense. So anyhow, other than that, there isn't much going on here. Just enjoying the beautiful day. I would love to hear what you guys are doing today, what the weather's like where you're at, and what your plans are for the future. So we have a friend coming over tomorrow, a couple friends, and yeah, it'll be a good time. So talk to all you my CD friends later, and take care. Bye.